Hello, this is Ricky with Service Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light on a Lexus RX450h. Now for step 1, you want to press the start-stop button twice to start the ignition, but you don't want to start the car. Then press the back button at the right side of the steering wheel to access the in-car menu. So now for step 2, you want to scroll until you see vehicle settings in the display and press the center button to enter. So now we're on the third and final step. Scroll down to schedule maintenance and press enter. Now it's going to ask you reset data. Scroll down to yes and press enter again. Now you have to do the exact same steps as we did here with oil maintenance as well. So press back and repeat the steps we did here and your maintenance light will be reset. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.